Welcome to the Science Whisperer channel, where we share microlearning videos in science concepts. Have you ever wondered why the Earth is becoming more crowded with each passing day? Human population growth has reached unprecedented levels, and it poses a significant challenge to our planet. Overpopulation can exacerbate issues such as poverty, food and water scarcity, and environmental degradation. Rapid population growth puts a strain on essential resources, leading to an increase in competition and inequality. As the population increases, housing becomes more limited, leading to overcrowding in cities and slums. Overpopulation also puts pressure on natural habitats, causing deforestation and the loss of biodiversity. Increased pollution and carbon emissions result from the growing population's demands for energy and transportation. The strain on infrastructure, such as roads, hospitals, and schools, intensifies as the population continues to rise. In many developing countries, overpopulation contributes to high unemployment rates and limited job opportunities. Overpopulation can lead to social issues, including increased crime rates and a decrease in quality of life for many people. Addressing overpopulation requires a multifaceted approach, including education, access to contraception, and sustainable development. To combat overpopulation, we must promote family planning and make reproductive health services accessible to all. Efforts to educate people about the consequences of overpopulation are crucial in providing solutions to this global challenge. Governments and policymakers should work together to implement population control measures and sustainable policies. Sustainable urban planning can help create livable cities that can accommodate a growing population without sacrificing the environment. Investing in renewable energy and sustainable practices can help reduce the strain on resources caused by overpopulation. Adopting sustainable agricultural practices can ensure adequate food production while preserving our ecosystems. Conservation and protection of natural habitats are essential to maintain biodiversity and combat the negative effects of overpopulation. We must also focus on reducing consumption patterns and promoting sustainable lifestyles to manage overpopulation effectively. Developing countries should be supported through international partnerships to address the challenges posed by overpopulation. The consequences of overpopulation can impact not only the environment but also the economy and social well-being. Without addressing overpopulation, we risk depleting resources, degrading our planet, and causing immense suffering for future generations. It is time for us to look beyond short-term solutions and take collective action to tackle the issue of overpopulation. By understanding the challenges and working together, we can create a sustainable and thriving planet for ourselves and future generations. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to subscribe for further updates.